today, and we'll continue to deal with this going forward. Yes, microphone number one.
Mr. Chairman, Francis Scott from Austin, Texas would like to talk about help for hip pain, new innovations, and help for past patients.
Okay.
Thank you for that. It's been a beautiful presentation. That last film got me kind of teary, so I'm sorry. I want to ask this extremely respectfully. I have two metal-on-metal Pinnacle hips implanted in me right now, and two SROM modular femoral component systems, and I'm very thankful to be standing right now and with reduced pain. It took about 4 years and a lot of pain, and now with all the legal action, I've been following the bellwether trials, and I have a couple friends who are dealing with cardiomyopathy right now, and for someone, I'm a mom of 3, and I had a career once and hope to have one again. It's terrifying, and I just want to know what we're doing, what Johnson & Johnson is doing to help people like me, or people like my friend Julie, who just got a defibrillator. How do we make sense of this, and can we call the company and try to get help? Or, I mean, I can't even find doctors. They don't want to be associated right now with, people like me and elevated cobalt and elevated chromium. And frankly, I'm really scared, and my kids are scared, and my husband's scared. And so I just don't know where else to go.
Look, I can certainly understand your situation. Look, we always take patient feedback as you just provided, particularly when it's not consistent with the expectations. And I can absolutely guarantee you that we put safety and high quality first in everything that we do. Our products do undergo rigorous testing. We're constantly updating the methods and procedures by which we monitor them. And I can't comment on the specifics of your case, but I would be more than happy to have someone meet with you afterwards to discuss maybe some of the particulars in a path forward in the future. We'd be happy to do that.
Yeah, thank you. I'm concerned about 510K passage, because that's how my hips came to market. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for being here and sharing that. Yes, microphone number one.
As a shareholder from Jamesburg, would like to talk about the growth and expansion and strength of the future.
Okay.
I wasn't planning on speaking today, but just wanted to voice my concern for people my age. I was introduced to Johnson & Johnson through my grandfather. He would have been 100 years old this June, and I've been coming to his meetings for a number of years. I think I've always been the youngest person in the room, and just concerned we're seeing, now there's only a handful of us in the actual meetings, and like you've said, seeing the videos and hearing people speak in person, it encourages you and just brings the excitement for being a shareholder for the company. So, years past, I used to hand out the products that were given out in those bags and give bunch of friends and just to share, my love for the company. But I just wanted to bring the concern for, I guess,